All right. Let's go ahead and try a few different types of problems. Another one. Number 3. Is the sequence arithmetic? Is the sequence arithmetic? So our answer is going to be just yes or no. Remember, arithmetic means, do we have a D? Do we have the same number between all of these or not? So let's try some practice sequences. 2, 4, 8, 16, blah, blah, blah. Well, let's just check. So the way we do this, one way is just kind of look at it and kind of see what you're adding. But the way I want to show you guys, do 4 minus 2, go backwards and subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, 16 minus 8 is 8. We can see clearly that these are not the same numbers, so no, it's not arithmetic. Not arithmetic. Okay, part B. Part B, 6, 12, 18, 24. Again, you could just kind of check, what are you adding, what are you adding, but I'm going to show you, go backwards to subtract. So 6, 18 minus 12, 6, 24 minus 12, 24 minus 18, 6. So 6, 6, 6, we do have a common difference, so the answer is yes. This is arithmetic. Let's just try one more here. Negative 22, negative 18, negative 14. Again, go backwards, subtract. Negative 18 minus a minus, so that's a plus. That's going to give you 4. Negative 14 minus a minus 18, so negative 14 plus 18, that's a 4. Again, it's the same number, so yes, this is an arithmetic sequence. Okay, next up, let's go ahead and find the 43rd term. 43rd term. So let's say, let's call this one number 4, part A. Let's say I've got this sequence here, negative 4, negative 1, 2, 5, blah, blah, blah. This is a sub 1, a sub 2. What's a sub 43? Well, which one do I want to use? Do I want to use the recursive or the explicit? The answer is I want to use the explicit because I want to be able to jump all the way to this. So let's use the explicit. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So a sub 43 equals a sub 1, that's negative 4, plus I'm going to do 42 jumps, not 43. Each jump, let's see, here's where we have to figure out what d is. Each jump, what are we doing each time? It looks like we are adding 3. Adding 3, adding 3. So each jump is worth 3. And now we just do the math. Negative 4 plus... that's 126, so we get 122. Now, let's try another example here with that. 15, 4, negative 7, negative 18. So we want to find a sub 43. So a sub 43 equals a sub 1, which is 15. Plus, I'm going to jump 42 times, and each jump is worth, let's see, what are we doing here? It looks like we are subtracting 11. Minus 11, minus 11, minus 11. So each thing is worth minus 11. So we get 15 minus, that's going to be 400, so 462, which gives us a total of negative 447. Now, I could give you not a sequence, but something like this. A sub 42 equals 32. D equals negative 7. What's a sub 43? Well, in this case, rather than using the explicit to jump, it looks like we're going to use the recursive. We're going to use the recursive to get the next formula. So a sub 43 equals a sub 42 plus d. What is d? D is negative 7. So a sub 42, that's 32. D is negative 7. Okay, so a sub 43 equals 25. Finally, if I want to find the missing term, number 5, I want to find the missing term. Let's say I had something like this. 3, 5, 7, 9, blank, 19. Oops. 3, 5, blah. 3, 5, 7, 9. Let me just do the ones on the paper, sorry. 3, 7, 11, blank, 19. You could just add, okay, I'm adding 4, I'm adding 4. So I add 4 again, so okay, this should be 15. All right, that's all fine and dandy, but what if I don't give you all the terms? What if I say, okay, here's 24, here's a blank, here's 57. What number goes in here? We can't just count up because there's nothing to count up from. What we need to do is to find the arithmetic mean, or the average. Just take the average of these two numbers here. So 19 and 11, add them up, divide by 2, and that will give you your number. 19 plus 11 is 30. 30 divided by 2, 15. There you go. There's the 15. So we could apply that to this one. 24 plus 57 divided by 2. 24 plus 57 is, let's see, 20 plus 50 is 70. 4 plus 7 is 11. So 70 plus 11 is 81 over 2. So you could put 81 over 2 or 40.5. So 40.5 is my missing term. I can even phrase it kind of differently. So a sub n minus 1 is negative 16. A sub n plus 1 is 1. A sub n equals what? So to think about it, here's a sub n minus 1. Remember, a sub n goes in the middle. A sub n plus 1 is 1. We're going to take the average of these two numbers. So negative 16 plus 1, the arithmetic mean, negative 15 over 2, which is, let's see, 2 goes into 15 7 times, so negative 7.5. And there we have it.